Hi everybody. So in this video I wanted to share with you a beauty box, Kinder Beauty, and I did get the July box, so I wanted to just share that with you. And it did come, of course, with the nice card. So the first thing that I was so excited to get, now if you watched my last video, you will see that I got two things from a brand called Cucuzio, and in this Kinder Beauty box there is another product from Cucuzio, and the product they gave us is called a Chill Peppermint Cooling Body Scrub. The value is $34, and mind you, I think the entire beauty box is, I think, $24. So already this is a good value. The description says it is for a refreshing shower and designed to reinvigorate muscles and energized sun zap bodies with Epsom salt, seaweed extract, and peppermint oil. And I am really excited to try this. This is an unboxing, so I haven't tried any of these products yet. And the next item is from Earth Harbor. It is a Aqua Aura Reparative Eye Cream. Let me take that out of the box. Oh, it has a nice blue color. And this says a $34 value. It says powerful botanicals like blue tansy and seaweed collagen are the all-stars in this eye cream that addresses sun damage and boosts suppleness. So, you know, I have to smell everything. It doesn't have a strong scent from the blue tansy, which is good. I have had some products in the past that had blue tansy and the smell was very strong, but this one is not. It smells like neutral, so that's good. And it says, of course, a pea-sized amount under the eyes and the brow bones, gently tapping. So I will be excited to try that. And the next thing is from Sunkin, and it is a shine control biodegradable sheet mask, $5.99 value. It says this mattifying mask will help your skin strike the perfect balance thanks to bamboo charcoal and magnolia leaf with wild mint. And I like the fact they said it's biodegradable. So that sounds very lovely. It's for oily skin types. So I will use that, or one of my girls will use it. So somebody in my house will be happy to use that. And the next thing they sent were Moonlit Skincare Bamboo Pads. These are reusable, eco-friendly cotton rounds. The value is $6. I think that is self-explanatory what they're for. I've never used anything like that, so sounds lovely. And to go with that, they sent, I think this is a deluxe sample because they didn't list a price, but this is from Chicky Botanica, and it says it's a universal blue eucalyptus, lavender, and peppermint toner. And you are supposed to use it with these bamboo pads, so that will be nice to use. It doesn't say what skin type, so I'm assuming all skin types, and it is for detoxing the skin. So that sounds very nice as well. So like I said, this is an unboxing video, and I know a lot of people like unboxing videos, so that's why I am sharing these things. And let me know, do you use any of these? Have you use the Kinder Beauty box. I don't have a discount code, but I did find one just Googling it on YouTube. I found a discount code for my first box. So my first box was like $14. So I think that the value is very good for this box. And like I said, I don't have an affiliate code, but I do like to share things that I find that are good values. So anyway, that's all I have for you today. And I will see you all soon in the next video. Bye for now.